Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to do Wigener Seaford. So Wigener Seaford, it is a polyalphabetic substitution in which more than one alphabet is recognized for a single character. મીનિંગ શું કે પોલીએલ્ફાબેટિક સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન એટલે શું કે જો કોઈ પણ લેટર જે છે એ રિપીટ થતો હોય તો એની માટે આપણને જે સીફર ટેક્સ્ટ મળે છે એ ડિફરન્ટ હોઈ શકે છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આરુષ, તો આરુષમાં બે એ આવે છે, તો ફર્સ્ટ એ માટે આપણને સીફર ટેક્સ્ટ બીજું મળી શકે છે અને સેકન્ડ એ માટે આપણને સીફર ટેક્સ્ટ બીજું મળી શકે છે, તો એને આપણે પોલીએલ્ફાબેટિક સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન કહે છે. ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન ધ બેઝિક સીઝર સીફર ટેકનિક. It uses different shift depending on the position of the letters in its message. In the process of cipher, first of all the Wigener table is created in which all the 26 alphabets are written in different rows. Each alphabet is shifted cyclically. So in this year we have to make 26 by 26 matrix in which each alphabet is shifted cyclically. To find out the ciphertext, insertion of the corresponding column of the plain text and the keyword should be considered. Then this plain text and keyword is considered. In Wigener table, so now when we will make the 26 by 26 matrix, what is happening in Wigener table, plain text is written in vertical and keyword is written in horizontal. So in this, keyword is written horizontally and plain text is found out vertically. Then we will see how it is made. We will see how the 26 by 26 matrix table is made. So first of all, you need to make this table. So how this table is made? First of all, you need to write A to Z. Then from second row, start from B. So if you will start from B, there will be one space remaining. So again, if you have started from B, A is remaining, so write over here A. Then start from C. Then you will write from C to Z. Then again A and B are remaining, so shift them over here, that A and B. Again D. Similarly, until Z you have to do. So here it is Z, right? Here it will be, at the end there will be Z. Then you have to write A, B, C, D up to Y. So all the alphabets of A to Z will be there in one row. So now after doing this, you need to write over here plain text and keyword. So now first row will represent your plain text and first column will represent your keyword. Keyword and plain text will be given to you, so you have to consider your first row. This is the first row. You have to consider this first row as your plain text and this first column as your keyword. સો હવે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈએ કે આ સોલ્વ કઈ રીતે થાય છે, એન્ક્રિપ્શન કઈ રીતે થાય છે આની અંદર. તો નાઉ લેટ્સ ટેક એન સિમ્પલ એક્ઝામ્પલ where key is count on and the plain text is Wigener cipher. So first of all, for encryption, to find out the ciphertext, what you have to do is to write plain text. Now what is our plain text? Wigener cipher. So write this in the table form so that you don't make any mistakes. So first of all you need to do is to write your plain text. Once you have written your plain text, write down the key below it. So now our key is shorter than the plain text. So then repeat the key until your plain text is there. So key is count on. So here it will get completed. Then again start writing your key. So similarly you make it until your plain text is there. So now after doing this, you need to find out the ciphertext. So from where does this XWA come? So we have to find this in the table. So first see where is your plain text and where is your key in the table. So we will take V and C. So we need to find out where is V and C and where they are intersecting. So let's find out in the table. So V is our plain text. It is over here. C is our key. It is over here. So now where is this V and C intersecting? They are intersecting at X. V and C are intersecting at X. So we are writing there X. So in C for text we have written X over there. Similarly for I and O. So where is I and O? You have to find out. I is your plain text and O is your key. So where is does this I and O intersect? They will intersect at W. So there we have written W. Similarly, for all the other letters, you need to find out that where they are intersecting and you need to write this in your C for text. It is very important to make this table during your examination. So like this way you can find out which inner C4. Thank you.